Hello and welcome. In this video, we present an overview of a production line designed for manufacturing facade panels from thin sheet steel with a thickness of 0.4 to 0.7 millimeters. We will demonstrate which engineering solutions give your products a real competitive advantage. The equipment is manufactured in China under the technical supervision and expert control of our team. This approach allows us to combine competitive pricing with high machine quality and consistently superior finished products. In this video, the line is producing a flat board imitation profile installed with a gap. The clean, well-defined geometry of this product allows it to be mounted horizontally, vertically, or at a 45-degree angle. It is suitable for both small buildings and larger private or commercial projects. Our line can process coil steel from various steel mills across a wide range of yield strengths. This is achieved through a precisely engineered roll-forming strategy and adjustable key-forming zones that directly influence the final profile geometry. The forming tools are made of tool steel, heat-treated, electroplated with hard chrome, and then polished. As a result, the rollers shape the product with exceptional care, preventing scratches on the painted surface. With a hardness of 48 to 52 HRC, the tooling ensures long service life and durability. Siding profiles with 2 or more ribs must incorporate a slight central angle. This ensures that during installation, the edges press the center firmly against the facade substructure, preventing rattling under wind loads. Profiles manufactured on our lines do not require prying or bending the lock edges with a screwdriver to achieve proper alignment. This eliminates the risk of installers skipping this step and mounting the facade with misalignment. To ensure product quality, we verify all geometric parameters of the profile and test it on a dedicated stand that simulates a building facade. The stand can be rotated toward the light at different angles to evaluate light reflection. If the machine runs smoothly in automatic mode, the profile geometry is consistent. The surface remains scratch-free, installation is effortless, and light reflection is uniform and visually balanced. The profile passes inspection and the line is approved for shipment. Contact us, and we will select equipment precisely tailored to your goals and budget. From entry-level solutions for starting your business to high-performance lines with automatic stacking systems, facade panels are a key architectural element that ultimately defines a building's appearance. Whatever solution we propose, it will meet the high-quality standards we apply to all our projects.